Get ready for the dictation. Start. Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, and all my dear listeners. First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this occasion. Today, as we celebrate World Environment Day, I would like to share my views with you. As you all know, recently cyclones Taute and Yas created a destructive impact of higher magnitude in several parts of the country. The other day, there were reports of animals in some regions being found dead due to forest fires. It is already June here, but instead of us enjoying the first monsoon showers, we are profusely sweating and gulping down ice cold water because of the severe heat and humidity. So, here is a simple question from my side to the audience. Has not the time arrived that we stop neglecting the threads of nature and take steps to conserve environment? So here we are observing World Environment Day so that we are aware of what is needed to be done to protect our environment. This year's observance of World Environment Day will be on the theme ecosystem restoration and focus on resetting our relationship with nature. Before diving deep into the topic, let me give you a quick recap about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is the most renowned day for environmental action since 1974. It has been celebrated every year on June 5, engaging over 190 governments, thousands of businesses, celebrities, and citizens to focus their efforts on pressing environmental issues. The Asian nation Pakistan is the host country for this year's World Environment Day celebrations. There are a lot of environmental issues like global warming, marine pollution, human overpopulation, etc., which are posing a danger for us as well as the future generations. Cutting down forests is not a way of increasing accommodation or business capacities. A tree takes years to fully grow, but we ruthlessly cut it down to build infrastructures. This leads to increase in global temperatures and imbalance in the environment. My point here is if we had not violated nature's law in the first place, would the disaster take place? Therefore, I strongly advocate cautious use of natural resources and respect towards natural beauty so that the world remains a beautiful place to live in. I hope this year's theme bring in some positive and effective results and speed up the healing process to mother nature. And with this I conclude my speech. Thank you all for hearing me out all this while. Stop.